Good morning, everyone. 10th Standard English Medium, GT Shet Vidyalay. Very warmful welcome in video lecture series. Okay, guys, today we learn Sanskrit lesson number 11. Yasya Jananam Tasya Maranam. It is a Jatak Katha. It's a name about Jatak Katha, and it is very famous. Jatak Katha is the previous birth of Lord Buddha. Jatak Katha is a full of messages, and it is moral story. So it is very valuable in Sanskrit literature. When you read introduction paragraph, you are knowing more about this Jatak Katha. Okay, guys. So Yasya Jananam Tasya Maranam means whosoever is born is sure to be die. जिसका जन्म होता है उसकी मृत्यु होती है. यस्य जननम, who was born sure die. So now this is the very good unique story, and the moral of the story is like that. Lobah papasya karanam means greediness is the base of all type of sins. Okay, guys, read the introduction paragraph very carefully, then after read the glossary very carefully, and then after study this lesson. This lesson important as well as in the translation criteria, as well as sometimes comprehension criteria, as well as the question answer or short note. So now this chapter 11 is a prose lesson. It's a very unique lesson. It is Jatak Katha, and it is full of message story. So the message of the story is like that: Lobha papasya karanam. Greediness is the base of all type of sins, all type of mistakes, and all type of limitations. So now, guys, yasya jananam tasya maranam. Okay, today we learn the lesson number 11. अस्ति वित्तदासो नाम प्रबुद्धलोभो समृद्धः कश्चित् वणिगजनः. Okay, there is the two main character about in the story, Vittadasa and Kutanath. Vittadas, it's a very rich merchant, and tasya Kutanath abhidha veshya prativeshika asita, and Kutanath is a neighbor about the Vittadas. He is also a merchant. एकदा कूटनाथेन चिंतितं यदं वित्तदास धनिको लुब्धो वर्तते. Once upon a time, Kutnath think like that. Vittadas, it's a very rich, but he is a very greedy person. And अतः केनापि उपायेन मया असो वंचनीयः. In any how condition, I cheat him. So Kutnath's thoughts like that. In any how condition, I cheat him. एवं विचार्य स कूटनाथ एकदा वित्तदासस्य गृहम् उपगम्यम् अकथयत्. Once upon a time, thinking like that, Kutanath going to the Vidya's house and say like that, भो श्रेष्ठिन् अस्माकं बहवः कुटुम्बीजनाः श्वः अतिथयः भविष्यन्ति. Oh merchant, oh honorable person, today at my house, my family members coming as a guest, and then after at that reason तेषाम् अर्थे भोजनादि निर्माणाय कानिचित् पात्राणि कृपया मह्यं यच्छतु. So that reason I want to some vessels from you. Why? Because I want to prepare for food and etc. पश्चात् तानि प्रत्यर्पयिष्यामि. Okay, when I use this all type of the vessels, and then after a day after yesterday I give this all vessels on in front of you in your at your house. प्रातिवेशिकः धर्मभावेन वित्तदास कूटनाथाय पात्राणि प्रयच्छन्तत्. Vittadas thought like that, I am neighbor, so it is my duty, and he give some vessels to Kutanath. पात्रोपयोगवसाने कूटनाथ पात्राणि प्रत्यर्पितु वित्तदासस्य गृहम् अगच्छत्. After using these vessels, the Kutanath giving the vessels at the house of Vittadas. ते पात्रे सह कूटनाथ अन्यानि कानिचित् लघुनि नूतनानि पात्राणि अपि तत्र स्थापितवान्. The Kutanath doing like that, they also they taking some small and new vessels in all kind of vessels, and then given to the Vittadas. लघूनां नूतनानां पात्राणां दर्शनेन विस्मित वित्तदास कूटनाथम् अपृच्छत्. लघूनां नाम small, नूतनानां new, पात्राणां vessels, दर्शनेन seeing that, with विस्मित with the surprise, Vittadas कूटनाथम् अपृच्छत्. Vittadas said to Kutanath, भो वयस्य एतानि पात्राणि मम न सन्ति. O you, O person, O friend, this is not my vessels. Kutnath akathet. Kutnath repeat that, say that. Mitra, yani patrani bhavata dattani tani mama gruhe ratro prasutani. Etani lagunani nutanani patrani bhavatah patranam apatyani santi. And then after Kutnath says like that, O merchant, O honorable person, O friend, this is your small new vessels. It's also your. Why? Because at that night they all are produced from the big vessels, and this is the small vessels is really for you. Why? Because they all are produced at the night from these big vessels. So it's your. अपत्यरूपेण नूतनानि पात्राणि संप्राप्य वित्तदास प्रसन्न जाता. And then now the greediness about the Vittas. Okay, and Vittas feeling very nicely. Oh, it's a good things. I give some vessels and they again they repeat me. They given me the very huge and good type of another type of small new vessels. It's very nice things. So Vittas nature is greediness. Greedy and greediness. It's a not good things in our life. See this in what about next in story? अपत्यरूपेण नूतनानि पात्राणि संप्राप्य वित्तदास प्रसन्न जाता. And then now वित्तदास is feel happily. व्यतीतेषु कतिपय दिवसेषु कूटनाथ पुनरपि वित्तदासं पात्रार्थं प्रार्थयत. After so many times again Kutnath doing like that, and he going to the Vidda's house and say like that, प्रतदत्तेभ्य पात्रे अपि अधिकानां पात्राणां लाभो भविष्यति इति दुर्मत्या प्रेरिता वित्तदास तस्मै सर्वाणि इष्टानि पात्राणि दत्तवान्. Okay, now twist of the story is like that. Vittadas think like that, Kutnath giving a more vessels. So I give the all good vessels to Kutnath. Why? Because they give me again with all kind of the more vessels. Nutanani means new, and it is very good for me. Why? Because without any kind of things, I have lot of vessels from Kutnath. So it is labha. It's beneficial for me. Vittas thing like that. It is very beneficial for me. व्यतीतेपि एकमासे यदा कूटनाथ पात्राणि तस्मै पात्राणि न प्रत्यर्पितवान् तदा चिन्तापन् वित्तदास कूटनाथं गृहं गत्वा स्वकीयानि पात्राणि अयाचत. Okay, after so long time, approximately 1 month going there, and then Kutnath does not given the vessels to Vittas, and then after Vittas think like that, oh, it is so long time, Kutnath not give me my vessels, so he going at the house of Kutnath, and so he said like that, Kutnath sa shokam akathat. Kutnath say very sadly, Bhavata sarvani patrani mrutani. O merchant, O honorable person, O noble one, the all vessels are die. Is it happen? No. Vessel is not living being. Huh? So how can it be died? Say, see this. Vittas kopavishtasan akathet. Now Vittas is angry and said like that. Evam katham bhavet. How can do it that? Bho vanchaka, you are cheat me. You are cheater. Tvam mithya vadasi. You are saying wrong. Nirjivanam patranam maranam katham sambhavati. How can die the non-living being vessels? So Kutnath dhairyam avalambyam shantam vachasa avadat. And then after Kutnath, with the patience, with the coolness, said like that, Mahodaya, yadi patranam janma bhavati, O noble person, if the vessels was born, tahi tesham maranam api bhavati, then also they will be die. Purvam jatani patrani bhavata gruhe vilasanti, yani patrani bhavatbhavi dattani tani mama gruhe mrutani, tatra aham kim kartu samartham. That type of vessel who is born at my house, it's in your house. So or the other type of vessels you give me, they all are dying. So it is also happened like that. So tatra aham kim kartu samartham. What can I do about that? Pashya जन्म भवति पात्राणां मरणे संशय कथम. Please listen this. If whosoever is born is sure to die. Jagati yat sampunnam nashyati sarvatha dhruvam. So now this is the main rules about this whole word, like that. Yasya jananam tasya maranam. Who one was born, it surely die. So whole world is happen on that type of the rule. Whole world is standing on that type of rule. How can change it? So now it is very interesting Jatak Katha I describe on front of you. Okay guys, lesson number 11. It is very easy for you. Yasya jananam tasya maranam. You can read 2 or 3 times, and then after you write the translation. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.